Hi, I'm Hank Sawtelle, a culinary specialist with Vulcan Equipment.
And I'm Pete Schellenbach, also a culinary specialist with Vulcan Equipment. Today, we'd like to invite you to come with us as we look under the hood and discuss the importance of integrating ventilation and cooking equipment into your design at the same time for a successful project.
So we're going to show you that today by cooking on 3 pieces of Vulcan equipment under the Gaylord ventilation system today. We're going to look at the Vulcan heavy duty range, top of the line Vulcan Charbroiler, and then also the Vulcan rapid recovery gas griddle. And we're going to put the Gaylord ventilation system to the test as we cook a variety of foods that you might see in various commercial kitchens.
The reason that we've selected these dishes and these pieces of equipment is to show that the equipment is very versatile, but also to show that there is a range of dishes that could be done. So regardless of what the end goal of your project is, you're going to end up with a successful project and a happy client.
And that success comes from the fact that Vulcan and Gaylord are both part of the ITW Food Equipment Group family. So brands you know and love like Baxter, Hobart, Charleston Refrigeration are all part of this family together. And Vulcan and Gaylord together are bringing you over 200 years of the best kitchen equipment possible.
So we'd like to ask you to come with us while we do this cooking and show you the advantages of this equipment. Looking forward to getting started.
Thanks so much for joining us.
I'm standing underneath the Gaylord high-efficiency dry cartridge hood. It uses unique internal geometry to naturally channel exhaust to reduce the initial cost of investment and provide a lower cost of operation overall. That's going to increase your client's profitability.
So the Gaylord ventilation system is using the natural characteristics of the heat plume coming off of this cooking equipment. You'll get a chance to see that in a minute when we start cooking. It's going to direct that heat plume naturally to the dry cartridge for extraction without any additional fans. So that's going to use less electrical load and less energy cost overall compared to other designs. Also, the Gaylord system uses less CFM, so you're going to get a lower overall HVAC cost for your project.
This particular Gaylord hood also has the AirVantage demand control system. That uses thermal sensor technology to detect the sensible heat coming off of the equipment. Then it automatically modulates both the exhaust and the makeup air, so that provides an enormous cost savings opportunity for your clients. Another benefit of that is that it has a much quieter operation, and that means a more comfortable operational environment for their staff. A more comfortable environment is naturally going to be a more profitable environment.
That's right. And also the AirVantage system integrates with the overall building HVAC, and that's going to lead to a more efficient and less expensive project overall for your customer. So we're doing some cooking now in the Vulcan equipment underneath the Gaylord ventilation system, and we're starting with the Vulcan Achiever Charbroiler. We've got our precision controls in the front. Behind that, there are supercharger plates. In between those, there is a heavy-duty grate. Underneath each grate is a radiant, and then underneath the radiant is a heavy-duty burner. So that creates a zone for precision heat control, and those zones are repeated across the area of the charbroiler. My street taco dish, quite a few burgers for my bistro burger. You can already see those radiants kicking up some good flavor and flame. Charbroilers, as you know, are notorious for cold spots and for needing a skilled magician grill cook to move things around and make sure everything's cooked evenly. As you can see on the Vulcan Achiever, that's not an issue. This thing is loaded up with product. all of it is cooking at the rate that I want. So I can set a timer and walk away and do other things like talk to you guys. And when it's time to flip this product, all of them are going to be done perfectly. All of them are going to have a beautiful grill mark. You can see and hear that radiant doing its work, kicking up some nice flavorful smoke onto my grilled product. And then I can sell every portion that I put on this charbroiler. So that means I get repeatability, whether I'm doing the cooking today or someone else is doing it tomorrow. It means I get maximum revenue and maximum profitability from the Vulcan Achiever charbroiler. And that's what your clients can have as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip my burgers. These have been on for a couple minutes. And you can see I've got a beautiful grill mark on each and every one of these. My precision zones are giving me that even heating across the entire charbroiler. So I've got repeatable, consistent results. That's what we need for maximum revenue and maximum profitability. Rotate these to get that perfect 90-degree grill mark. That every steakhouse likes to see. When fat or liquid comes off the meat, I'm getting a controlled little burst of flame for some smoky flavor, but I'm not getting flare-ups, I'm not getting fires, and all of the smoke and that heat plume that's coming off of my charbroiler, you can see that going right up into the Gaylord ventilation system, and that's gonna modulate and keep up with the load as necessary. My beautiful diamond grill pattern, look at that, just steakhouse perfect. And again, I'm gonna get this today, tomorrow, and the next day, whether I'm doing the grilling or someone else is, because this Vulcan Achiever precision control system gives me the best heat distribution profile in the industry. It's time to remove my perfectly cooked burgers, turn my flank steaks 90 degrees to get that perfect crosshatch grill mark on both sides. You can see the heat plume going straight up into the Gaylord ventilation system. So just finished preparing our grilled flank steak for our street tacos and our grilled burgers for our bistro burger. And now I'm gonna do some cooking on the Vulcan heavy duty gas griddle featuring our rapid recovery plate. We're gonna keep cooking now on the Vulcan VCC G series gas griddle. This has 4 available surfaces: conventional steel, grooved steel, chrome for customer-facing applications, or today we've got the rapid recovery plate. The rapid recovery plate is a composite material that heats up 5 times faster than conventional steel. So that gives me better recovery times, but also better precision control of temperature across the entire surface. So I can load this entire surface with product from corner to corner, from front to back, and get consistent heating and consistent production across the entire griddle. So now it's time to get cooking and load up the griddle with these. And you can see lots of steam coming off. So this is the effect of that rapid recovery plate. It's very quickly recovering and maintaining temperature. And all of that steam that's coming off, this is the very definition of grease-laden vapor. And you can see that heat plume heading up into the Gaylord ventilation system, and it's gonna naturally direct it towards those cartridges and exhaust my heat and separate the grease out of the vapor as well. So getting rid of everything all together. I'm gonna let these sizzle and get some color before I flip them. It's very quickly recovering and maintaining temperature and giving me that even heating, so I've got repeatable, consistent results. So we've got our griddled vegetables and warm tortillas ready for our street tacos. And now Chef Pete's gonna finish out the rest of our dishes on the Vulcan heavy-duty gas range.
So I'm standing in front of the Vulcan V-Series heavy-duty range, and I'm still underneath the Gaylord ventilation system. The smartest thing about the V-Series range is its total modularity. What we mean by that is that the tops and the bases can both be configured to accurately target your project's needs. The tops can be configured with burners, griddles, even rapid recovery griddles, anything that the client is looking for up top for a cooking surface. But we also have modularity with the bases. The bases can be a conventional oven, a convection oven. The base could be a finishing oven, a high temp finishing oven. It could be refrigeration. It could be a storage base. So that total modularity of design is really helpful when you're trying to target the needs of a client. If that were where this stopped, it would already be a great benefit. But because it's so modular, that means that these pieces can be reconfigured after installation. So in the case of a change of chef or a change of menu or even a total change of concept, the modules can be swapped to meet the needs of that new concept. What that does for you is it future-proofs your design so that the kitchen will still have your touch to it, but it will be reconfigured to the current needs of the user. I also want to mention something about the Gaylord ventilation system and the AirVantage system in particular. One of the aspects of intelligence is the ability to predict. We know that something is going to happen, so we plan for that. An on-demand or a demand-based ventilation system means that as the thermal load increases, the exhaust system adapts to that greater thermal load. That's great. Minimizes energy costs, all of the benefits that come with that. But the AirVantage system takes that one step further. If the AirVantage system notices a rapid decrease in temperature, something that might happen when you load an entire griddle with a bunch of vegetables for your tacos, the heat signature from that appliance drops. If the AirVantage system sees that there is a drop, a sudden drop in temperature, it knows that what's going to follow next is an increased heat plume that also contains more grease-laden vapor. When it senses a huge temperature drop, it also increases the exhaust speed because it knows to anticipate that greater load that's coming. All right, so now I'm gonna get cooking on the V-Series range. I'm gonna start with a couple of small cast iron pans for roasty potatoes that are going to go with our seared halibut. One of the things that I'm utilizing here is the aeration bowl of the burner that focuses the energy right onto the bottom of this pan. This knife edge design really minimizes the contact point of the grate to the bottom of the pan, so it allows more of the BTU energy to get to the bottom of the pan. And so I'm gonna let those potatoes brown up a little bit on the top before I go into the oven to finish those. Gonna add a third pan to what we're doing here. Going to start searing the halibut. So, gonna add a couple of pieces of this prosciutto wrapped halibut. That gets started. I'm starting to see a little color on my potatoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and move those down to my oven to finish. Once those get a little bit of color on them, I'm gonna turn those over and go into the oven to finish the fish. I'm gonna start sauteing some of the zucchini that's gonna be used on the halibut dish as well. Okay, got good color there. And there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the fish down in the oven to finish. For the bistro burger that we're doing, it's gonna get topped with a sunny side up egg, so I need to start that now too for Chef Hank. An egg in here. So this zucchini, because the pieces are so small, is already finished. So I'm gonna be able to go ahead and go to plate with this. So because I'm not trying to make a fried egg, I'm gonna take the heat down on this burner. I've got incredibly precise controls on this burner, so I'm gonna turn it way down and let the egg finish slowly that way. I'm gonna check the fish now. So I've got a really great looking sunny side up egg right now. That's gonna be ready to go over and top one of our burgers. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that over. And all the while that I've been doing this, the AirVantage system has been adjusting the exhaust of the hood so that it matches the heat output of my V-Series range. I'm gonna let those roasted potatoes go just a little bit longer, and take those out, and then we'll be ready to go to plate with those as well. So I was just working on the Vulcan V-Series range, making the items that are gonna complete today's menu. There's a sunny side up egg for the bistro burger, and then the components of the prosciutto wrapped halibut dish, which are the prosciutto wrapped halibut, roasted potatoes, and sauteed zucchini. We made 3 menu items for you today. Here are 2 street tacos, a carne asada, and a veggie taco topped with Mexican crema. This is a bistro burger with Comté cheese, hash browns, and a sunny side up egg. And finally, we have prosciutto wrapped halibut with potato roasty and a zucchini saute.
So we prepared 3 dishes for you today to show you 3 different examples of concepts where Vulcan and Gaylord can work together to bring you success. Everything from the high-end restaurant with that prosciutto wrapped seared halibut to a upscale burger concept all the way to street tacos. It doesn't matter what the project is, the project will be a success with Vulcan and Gaylord.
You also saw that with the Gaylord's high-efficiency dry cartridge hood, coupled with the exclusive AirVantage demand control system, you saw the hood respond automatically to different thermal loads and different cooking situations.
And that clean functional design of the Vulcan and Gaylord equipment creates a cohesive look in the kitchen. And also the fact that these designs are made with the end user in mind means that it's going to bring efficiency and profitability to every client.
Also, knowing your projects are executed correctly brings you peace of mind. And Vulcan and Gaylord work to help you get that feeling of peace of mind. Gaylord's startup and commissioning program, coupled with Vulcan's new equipment checkout, ensure that your designs are executed appropriately and that you're going to end up with a happy client.
So for more information on what you saw today, reach out to Dan Montgomery, Manager of Consultant Services for Vulcan, or Kevin Haas, National Sales Director at Gaylord.
Thanks for coming with us as we looked under the hood today at some Vulcan equipment and some Gaylord equipment. The combination of those 2 things definitely will lead to a successful project and a satisfied client.